Click on the cog in the top right-hand corner to access the Cartesian plane settings. Choose from 10 by 10 or 20 by 20 grid options, or set your own values for the axis range and step size, depending on your needs. Single points can be added to the plane when introducing and teaching coordinates. Click and drag a point to change its position, and watch as the coordinates listed at the top of the plane change in real time. A point can also be moved by manually changing its coordinates, providing another way to explore location and movement. Further extend your students by adding lines to the Cartesian plane, teaching them to form and identify polygons by connecting coordinates as vertices. Click and drag a point of the polygon to explore changes in its size, shape, and position. To delete a single item from the plane, click to select it and then click the bin icon. To clear the whole grid and start over, click the refresh button.